You have your DSLR or the best of camera and then suddenly say, हमारी phone से भी photo click कर दो.
Personally, for me, it is, I don't like that. Get the pictures instantly. That's not me. That's not my flavor. I've cycled from Rajasthan to Siachen 3,000 kilometers in 2 months with only my, couple of clothes and a camera. इतनी ठंड थी कि मैं वो कैमरे का लीवर ही नहीं खींच पा रहा था. I had no memory of that moment. I had taken the camera all the way to 3,000 kilometers to capture that moment of mine, and I could
you
not.
could not move yourself.
And that has taught me such a wonderful lessons that sometimes it is not important. Sometimes the camera becomes a distraction between what you're seeing. So sometimes you have to be in the moment, live with that moment.
Any memory that you remember in your visualization that you never clicked? A, that you thought, oh, I should have clicked it. And secondly, that you did not click it, but it stays with you forever.
As a photographer को लगता है कि आज हम एक wedding या आज हम एक fashion model की बड़ी अच्छी picture खींच के आए हैं, and this is the best picture of our life, right? We become satisfied. That moment taught me the best picture is always behind you, which you have never even seen and never ever captured, never ever taken. The bad picture you have ever taken is your best picture.
How's that?
Because it teaches you so many things. Good picture will always give you appreciation, but a bad picture will make you learn.
Wedding photography से ना एक चीज की नाराजगी सबको होगी.
Delays.
अरे फोटो नहीं आई, एल्बम नहीं आया, एंड दैट इज द रीजन कि लोग ना मोबाइल से भी कराते, अरे ये तो 10 दिन के बाद आना. इज AI a threat, opportunity?
Everybody in the world is welcoming AI with open arms.
Say cheese and get ready to be clicked. But who is clicking you? Is it a selfie or a friend or somebody around clicking those pictures? See, whenever a picture is clicked, it's just not for your social media handles or for Instagram stories. It's a memory. It's for posterity. So the lens matters. The person who is clicking a picture really matter. Today we are going to discuss the nuances of photography. And with me is photographer Gaurav Sethi, and we would like to introduce Gaurav as the director of photography. Gaurav, director of photography ही क्यों?
Well, to achieve this tag, I have worked.
Please discuss your journey with us. What was the journey?
See, I was born in a very amazing family. My father is my role model, and he was a very avid traveler. He has taught me so many things before I became a photographer. That what is life, how to see life from your eyes, your lens, your imagination. So camera was the last thing he handed me over, but yes, he taught me how beautiful the world is. See from your eyes first, imagine it.
Right.
First I learned from my father how to see the world. Then I took over a camera. Then I became a photographer. Then after years of practice, now I am a director of photography.
So Gaurav, first and foremost, let's talk about photography as a profession. हम जनरली देखते हैं कि हम वेडिंग्स में होते हैं या किसी पार्टी में होते हैं, भैया फोटो क्लिक कर दो, बिकॉज आई थिंक पीपल स्टिल नॉट हैव ग्रेजुएटेड टू दैट पॉइंट वेर इन अ फोटोग्राफर हैज़ टू बी कॉल्ड इन अ सर्टन वे, नॉट लाइक जैसे हमारा 20 साल पहले चलता था. सो डू यू स्टिल एनकाउंटर दैट एंड हाउ डू यू कोप अप विद दैट? इज दैट ओके?
Yes, that's perfectly okay. We are designed for this. We are meant for this. When see, weddings or any celebrations, there are so many vendors moving around. One is the decor people, one is the entertainment person. So everybody has a role to play. So photographer even has a role to play. Yes, and if we talk about respect, yes, over the period of time of like as an industry, we have upgraded ourselves so much that yes, the respect also have people have started respecting it, and it's perfectly okay when somebody calls, okay, take our picture, right, and we feel proud of it.
Well, that's wonderful. It's good to know that. So I think otherwise, personally, I've always felt that the way certain people address not just a photographer but other artists as well, be it anyone, be it someone, even serving you, there is a certain way. Even waiter को भी अगर हम बुलाते हैं तो भैया, some people go like that. और अगर artist को भी आते हैं, वो आ गया, गाने वो आ गया. There is a certain amount of respect as an individual that's really important, which. Do you think the Gen Zs are picking up on that?
In what way?
Like,
Gen Zs are not
respecting
respected?
other artists or not respecting?
See, respect is going to live and die with you. Respect is like something which tells what kind of a personality you are. by giving
So,
respect.
but what do you see? How is the trend? Do you think that जो Gen Z है या फिर जो millennials हैं या जो पुराने जो लोग हैं, especially the parents, अब जैसे आप wedding photography करते हैं, so do you see any difference that in terms of just not a photographer, the way they're handling probably an event management, people from the event management company or others, do you see that they lack respect sometimes, or they probably not really up to the mark?
I really cannot comment on Gen Zs because it's altogether a new
Domain altogether.
yes.
So,
See
but
what
what's
yes,
the
the
first? Let's
respect.
start with Gen Z's behavior.
If I
How
talk
do you
about
see?
respect, like if I talk about the wedding I've shot of some very big political party uh, about 20 years ago. So the kind of respect I have, received from that family was like, okay, I was doing photography for their wedding, which is that time very normal thing. But they had given a respect that, okay, Gaurav, you've done your wonderful job. Let's have a dinner together as a family dinner. So, you know, these moments, these special moments, you never forget. You start acting like that also, you start behaving like that also, it's a responsibility on you that, okay, you have to, you know be as nice as you are. So yes, so this is what I have been always guiding my staff, my to receive that respect. You have to first, be at that level, deliver something accordingly, and then you have all the rights to reserve.
So also adding to this, अगर suppose आप photograph click कर रहे हैं, जैसे हम भी जाते हैं, for a wedding wherein, of course, the photography has taken a different, I think, limelight now. The photography is a different genre altogether. It's an art form, and people
Yes.
respect it, admire it. But at the same time, you have your DSLR is still the best, or do you have a better category for cameras?
That's one category of a camera.
Of a camera.
Yes.
So, like, you have your DSLR or the best of camera, and then suddenly say, "Hamari phone se bhi photo click kar do." So, do tell me honestly, how is that?
Well, personally, for me, it is. I don't like that.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to know.
But anyway, that's a thing. One thing in
That's
demand.
part of
when
it.
people like to get the pictures instantly. So that's not me. That's not my flavor. That's not my. Even I don't like clicking pictures on my phone.
Really? All right, let's come to this. So, how do you, as an ace photographer, a lot of times there's a challenge wherein the cell phone camera versus a professional camera.
See, this is a very wonderful. Thank you for asking this question. I have been traveling. I've been climbing mountains. I've been cycling in mountains where I used to carry my camera. I've cycled from Rajasthan to Siachen 3,000 kilometers in 2 months with only my couple of clothes and a camera, a DSLR heavy camera. Cycling in mountain and with a DSLR camera with those heavy bodies. So thank you for asking this. So there used to be a moment, right? वहाँ पे ना तब कैमरा मैनुअल होते थे, वो लेवर वाला कैमरा होता था. You have to every click you have to
Roll it back.
roll it back. I was at 70,000 feet, extreme cold, and that was a moment when it somehow has to be captured by somebody. I want to take that picture, right? But इतनी ठंड थी कि मैं वो कैमरे का लेवर ही नहीं खींच पा रहा था, and I had no memory of that moment. I had taken the camera all the way to 3,000 kilometers to capture that moment of mine, and I could
You
not.
could not move your thumb.
And that has taught me such a wonderful lessons, that sometimes it is not important. Sometimes the camera becomes a distraction between what you're seeing. So sometimes you have to be in the moment, live with that moment. It is not important to always capture the moment.
And coming
Sometimes you have to just
Gaurav.
let it go.
Wow,
And
beautiful.
Just अपने अंदर वो डालो ताकि वो सारी उम्र याद रहे.
I know that not all memories are to be clicked and preserved. Some are to be just in your memory forever, refreshing you always. So, any memory that you remember in your visualization that you never clicked, that you thought, oh, I should have clicked it, and secondly, that you did not click it, but it stays with you forever.
एक बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक है जो हमेशा मैं अपने फेलो फोटोग्राफर्स एंड अपने स्टाफ को भी सिखाता हूँ, जो मेरा एक पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है. One fine day I was traveling. I was in a car driving. So there was a lady who asked for a lift. She was hitchhiking. So थोड़ा मैं आगे जाके मैंने गाड़ी stop की, and I looked at her from my rear view mirror of my car, and I clicked that picture of her through my rear view mirror, and that picture has taught me so much in a way.
How can a rear view mirror picture teach you? I'm really keen, Gaurav.
I'm also excited to share this.
Yes.
हम एज अ फोटोग्राफर को लगता है कि आज हम एक वेडिंग या आज हम एक फैशन मॉडल की बड़ी अच्छी पिक्चर खींच के आए हैं, एंड दिस बेस्ट पिक्चर ऑफ आवर लाइफ, राइट? वी बिकम सेटिस्फाइड विद इट. नहीं, इतनी जल्दी सेटिस्फाइड नहीं होना चाहिए. The best, that moment taught me the best picture is always behind you, which you have never even seen and never ever captured, never ever taken.
Wow. Wow.
So keep on 360 degree, keep on looking 360 degree. You are yet to be, you have yet, अभी आप तक अपनी लाइफ की सबसे बेस्ट पिक्चर खींची नहीं है, वो आपके पीछे ही है अभी.
Oh, that's wonderful. That's awesome.
So that keeps you motivating, that keeps you,
Yes.
looking for more things, more opportunities, more
So how do
beauty
you
around
remember
you.
clicking your first picture?
My first picture. Again, that's a very wonderful journey. As I told, my father handed me a camera he took me for a drive, handed me over a camera. तब वो स्नैपशॉट कैमरा होता था. बेसिकली हिज आइडिया वाज दैट ओके गौरव, मैं तेरे साथ चलता हूँ, ये पकड़ कैमरा, जो तेरा मन है वो खींच, ठीक है? तो जो भी मेरे को रास्ते में अच्छा लगा, चाहे वो एनिमल है, चाहे वो लोग हैं, चाहे वो गाड़ियाँ हैं, चाहे वो व्हाटएवर है. So I can never forget those 36 pictures I have shot because he wanted to see. I must be around 14 years old.
Basically wanted to see your vision.
Like when I press the button, when I press the shutter, what excites me. So उसमें से हो सकता है वो 36 pictures खराब ही आई हूँ, but वो भी एक learning था, lesson था. And again, I believe the bad picture you have ever taken is your best picture.
How's that?
How's that? Because it teaches you so many things.
Oh, yes.
A good picture will always give you appreciation, but a bad picture will make you learn.
Think, learn. Well, that's a wonderful statement. Yes, I never thought about it. So, Gaurav, now that you are director of photography, you've earned that spot, you've earned that space in your life as a professional because you're an artist more than anything else. So, 3 advice that you would like to share with probably people who want to pick up photography as a profession or are just keen or intrigued about photography.
फोटोग्राफर अपने आप में एक सुपर हीरो है. वो कैसे?
You have to let me know.
Because फोटोग्राफर के पास एक ऐसी पावर है that when you hold a camera, you have a superpower to freeze that moment for eternity.
Posterity.
And this is such a beautiful power and a responsible one.
And a responsibility too, yes. Somebody's getting engaged, that moment is probably priceless for them. If especially in India, I'm not talking about engagements happening in foreign countries wherein 2-3 हो जाती है. हमारे इंडिया में तो भैया marriage is sacred, so it's a moment forever. So when you freeze something like that, and through your lens, there would be probably others who would be clicking from their own cameras, but the photographer's lens is something that will define that moment forever. Yes.
चाहे शादी 1 हो, 2 हो, 3 हो, सारी चाहिए होती है.
That's right. Yeah. So second
No.
point.
So again, the first point, not only enjoy this moment of being a superhero, you have to be full of knowledge about your talent, right? And you have to be responsible again. Okay. Second point.
Now the second point.
The key to success is, I believe, is patience. Especially in our service industry, in this art form, in this world of ours,
Genre of photography,
is
yes.
you have to be humble, very very humble. Everyone should be. Especially
Certain
in this case,
professions,
when you are given a chance to, it's not only about weddings. Wherever we go with our camera, people when call us, इससे आप एक retainership भी वो retain करते हो market में, ठीक है? It's been 25 years. Why people come and go, right? So many artists come and go. Being constantly same from last 25 years, now it's like a company is 55 years old. It means a lot, right? Why? Because we have been serving the same clients when I started my career 25 years ago. We have the same clients now as well. We have मतलब जिनकी पेरेंट्स की शादी हमने लगाई थी उनकी बच्चों की भी शादी हम आज लगा रहे हैं. So this
Wow,
is
that's a
this
legacy,
why this
really.
happened.
Wow.
What I feel is that I have been like it's a personal nature of everyone, right? कोई एग्रेसिव हो जाता है कोई काम को लेके whatever ups and downs. But when you are at job, you have to be very very polite and humble.
Do we
That's
have
a
a third point?
choose your mentor. You have to devote your life to someone from where you can learn the art, not only of clicking the pictures, not only about the camera, not only about the gadgets, but the art of being an artist and art of life also.
That's very important. Gaurav, also, I want to pick up from here that when you talk about art, there are different forms of photography also, like architectural photography, you mentioned, wildlife photography, nature photography. So, what's your personal favorite as a genre, or how do you see? I mean, how different is wildlife photography from wedding photography? Of course, we have animals and humans, but as a photographer, you know, like how do you see, or maybe an architectural photography? How different is it from the lens point of view? I'm not talking about the milieu or the ambience. I'm just talking about from the lens point of view.
See, camera is a medium. Through that camera, through that powerful gadget, you can actually capture anything in the world, right? But yes, when we start our journey as a photographer, as a businessman, as a freelancer, whatever, right? First of all, we start from the basic that what is our interest in, right? If somebody is good at travel, wildlife photography, then there is a different path to it. If somebody wants to, pursue his career in wedding, then there's a different path to it. People, you have different mentors, you have different institutes, you have different. You move to fashion, you move to so many other things. So first of all, you start from basic, of course, but then धीरे धीरे आप एक कोई ना किसी फील्ड में आप अपना इंटरेस्ट डेवलप करते जाते हो. यू बिकम मास्टर इनटू दैट. यू स्टार्ट बाइंग दैट काइंड ऑफ equipment particularly, right? Because every segment has a different equipments. It's not only about one camera and one lens, right? So you have to धीरे धीरे आइडेंटिफाई होने लग जाता है कि आपका इंटरेस्ट कहाँ पे है. So I started my journey from being as a travel photographer because I'm a mountaineer myself, and so that is the one thing I started with. After that, when I joined my business in early years, so we were into wedding photography full time. तब इतना बहुत ज़्यादा एवेन्यूज नहीं होते थे फोटोग्राफी में. होते थे बट इतने ज़्यादा नहीं होते थे. ठीक है. Anyway, so constantly I've been making my mark, my name in wedding industry for like good 15 years, I suppose. Then I started identifying my interest where I love to take pictures,
Okay.
right?
And what did you explore?
Architecture is my favorite subject.
Oh, really?
Yes, I love capturing buildings. पता नहीं क्यों ये ये कहाँ से शुरू हुआ पता नहीं. I my favorite subject is architecture, real estate, hospitality industry, hotels. I work for very
You work with
renowned
corporates
hotels.
also, corporate this thing also.
So हाँ, अगर मेरे पास option हो to take a picture of a beautiful model and a building, I would prefer to capture a building.
Oh, wonderful. Okay.
And another thing, architecture, there are very few architecture photographers in this industry, and I love
Yeah,
it.
it's a specialized genre.
And being a kid, I used to be very curious about how everything is being produced in factories. ये चीज़ कैसे बनती है, ये माइक कैसे बनती है, ये कैमरा कैसे बनता होगा, इसकी फैक्ट्री कैसे होती होगी. तो as a kid, I used to really enjoy those. I was very curious about it. And जब आप इतने बड़े corporates के साथ काम कर चुके होते हो, over the years, then you get the chance to see their factories. And what a wonderful moment it was for me when I discovered that, okay, this is what I always wanted. Now I capture all the mega factories, their production houses, and this is again my childhood dream, and I love. And now I'm paid for it.
Yeah, exactly. Like I always say, I made my passion my profession. Yeah. So yes.
So our industry, my particular journey has been very amazing and colorful. I woke up every day and I do whatever I love the most, and I, end of the day, I take some money at home and being loved by everyone.
So Gaurav, coming back to wedding photography से ना एक चीज की नाराजगी सबको होगी. अब गेस करो.
Delays.
बहुत, अरे फोटो नहीं आई, एल्बम नहीं आया, एंड दैट इज द रीजन कि लोग ना मोबाइल से भी कराते, अरे ये तो 10 दिन के बाद आना है, तब तक तो स्पेशली द शेल्फ लाइफ, इफ यू गो टू एन इवेंट एंड you want to get a picture clicked and you want to post it on your Instagram story, because that is how where people enjoy, it's just a good fun, it's a good way of interacting and talking to people, wherein you just see the picture, you like the picture, but sometimes there is the delay is so much that you lose the whole charm of posting those pictures, and by the time you get the pictures you don't want to post them.
See, there's a huge difference between where people, miscalculate about a professionals and non-professionals, right? Again, I will talk about patience. To have a good picture, you need to have a patience and give artists some time to deliver his expertise. Instant coffee, instant everything. You are my generation. You can relate to it.
I love to beat my own coffee, then simmer it.
Slow life, chalo, that doesn't apply to this generation.
Correct.
Right?
Oh, not at all.
Everything, a good thing needs a time. But yes, if we talk about delays from unprofessionals, that's something different, right? And as I said, technology is very upgraded. Now, इतना टाइम नहीं लगता जितना एक वो पहले वाली बातें तो और ही थी, बट हाँ, इतना टाइम लगा. न्यू एप्स, न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी, where you can, with the QR codes, technology has been upgraded, and ये जो लैग था, ये जो दिक्कत थी, ये हमारी इंडस्ट्री को भी दिखी और काफी लोगों ने इस पे काम भी किया और इसको ठीक भी कर दिया, and it is almost sorted. It's sorted.
Is AI a threat, opportunity, or how do you see AI as to the profession of photography? Or is it a challenge?
Everybody in the world is welcoming AI with open arms. ठीक है? And it is somehow going to help us. But if I talk about right now, see, I'm not a
let's not talk, not a seer or mystic, who can predict.
I'm not a person. I'll talk my field and how it helped me, how it affects me, right? Of course, every day we have to cope up with the technology. We cannot just ignore it. Enjoy that moment. हम इसको एक एक्सक्यूज बना लेते हैं क्योंकि अभी हमें तक ये यूज करना आता नहीं है. जब हमें आना लग जाएगा तो हम इसकी बहुत तारीफ करेंगे. ठीक है? और
becomes convenient.
और जहां तक मैं अपनी बात करूं, ठीक है, we use it up to some extent. We use it. It helps us a lot. But where अगर मैं कहूँ जी, आजकल ये भी बड़ा ट्रेंड चला हुआ है भी, आप अपनी एक कपल की फोटो भेजो एंड आपको प्री वेडिंग कराने की जरूरत ही नहीं, कहीं भी जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, हम वो कपल की फोटो को जनरेट कर देंगे. यू आर इन स्विट्जरलैंड, यू आर इन वेयरएवर, ठीक है. बट माय क्वेश्चन इज टू द कपल्स, what about those moments when you travel, when you're shooting in the rain, when you're talking, when you're driving, when you're eating together, when you're making the memories? So is that possible? No, it is not possible, right? आपके काम में भी ऐसा ही है. You can have, I can have interview with some AI person, but what will be the experience? We can use the technology in a nicer way, in a better way.
Yes, wonderful. So Gaurav सेठी की सबसे फेवरेट पिक्चर आज तक जो आपने क्लिक करी है वो कौन सी है?
वही जो मैं बता रहा था, वो मेरी
that remains your favorite, जो क्लिक नहीं कर पाए.
नहीं, जो क्लिक नहीं कर पाए, जो the lady behind me through the rear view mirror.
And who's your favorite photographer?
I would give credit to my mentor, Mr. Rakesh Syal, right? Because I've grown learning his craft, and not only the craft, but as a person also, he has taught me so many things. For whatever I am today is just for the reason. Yes, I do take references from other photographers, but that's again my part of learning.
So Gaurav, the parting shot, what message you have for budding photographer?
Be on time.
I like that. That's awesome. Punctuality is a necessary evil. Yes.
Whatever you will gain in life, you have to be there 1 hour prior, because I know you can relate this. you are so prepared for your job when you are an hour before. You get time to relax, to understand the situation, to understand the venues.
Yes, the venue, people around,
Yes,
yeah,
you
there's
get
the
into this that moment. हसल बसल में आप वो प्रोजेक्ट कभी कर ही नहीं सा पाओगे, ठीक है? And it is my request to everyone, maybe younger people or maybe whosoever is has been in the industry. Punctuality is is going to help you a lot.
That's wonderful. Wonderful. So, Gaurav, it was great interacting with you. And we actually, my opening line was nuances of photography, and we've actually picked them up so well from you. Thank you so much and happy clicking always.
Thank you. I love this job and thank you for having me today.
Thank
Thank
you
you
so
so
much.
much.